check out my books on Amazon.com.
Greg's Favorite Drawings, the first edition, is available for $12.99 in paperback, and the Kindle version is $7.99. Greg's Favorite Drawings, the second edition, is available for $19.99 in paperback, and the Kindle version is $7.99. A reference ebook guide to drawing contoured hands is available for $19 in paperback, and the Kindle version is $8.99. Ready Draw for Newbies Kindle edition is $3.99. Previews are available on Amazon. Please leave me a review and rate each product.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.